Stop calling us as Kuki. We are not Kuki. Oh, God knows who are these Kukis. Right. Who are these 10 Kuki MLAs? I am not Kuki. I don't belong to Kuki. Call me as Mar. Fake Kuki tribe. Fake universal tribe. So anybody. We are now living in the Indian constitution, under the Indian constitution. So constitutionally, Manipur has got 34 tribes at the moment. But originally, Manipur has got cultural and linguistic tribes of 29.
Right.
In that 29 in 1956, you have to see in this way that these 29 recognized tribes are the indigenous people of Manipur. That was clearly mentioned in the 2022 ILP rule by the Manipur government. So who are indigenous in Manipur? Those recognized tribes, as well as Ntte and the Ntte Bangala, the indigenous people of Manipur. This comprises the people living in 22,000 square kilometers of Manipur. So within this, the belief and the conviction of the Thadou tribe is very clear, Manipur being a home to them, that we should, this is a home to us and we are indigenous to the state of Manipur, and there is nothing to panic about any kind of illegal immigrant, filtration of illegal immigrants, NRC, whatsoever. There is nothing to fear. This is the position of very clear. Right. So from the Kuki supremacist sites in the last 70 years, almost about 50 to 70 years, there is always a pressure that there should be a kind of a fair and universal Kuki tribe called any Kuki tribe. That has been demanded since 1960s, 70 onwards, and Thadou has been totally against this demand for recognition of any Kuki tribes. But unfortunately, after 47 years of the recognition of the original tribes in 2003, the same group of people, the same stock of people having the same language, the same dialect, and the same surname, so has given way any Kuki tribes by the Manipur government in 2003 that creates a fake Kuki tribe, fake universal tribe. So anybody from anywhere can come and say that he belongs to any Kuki tribe, and then he can obtain the citizen of India and Manipur. This has been opposed by the Thadou people. Right. So this is a new thing. So the people of Manipur, especially the major Ntte communities, are not aware, and they are not even thinking of this as a threat to the integrity and the unity of the state. So there is no other Kuki other than this, any Kuki tribes. This is the position of Thadou people. So even today, the topic, Thadou in Manipur plus 10 Kuki MLAs for hypocrisy.
Right.
Who are these 10 Kuki MLAs? You take it out, none of them, you see, like there are one Mar MLAs from the Paimo constituency. He keeps on telling that, I am not Kuki, I don't belong to Kuki, call me as Mar. This is what he keeps on telling. So it's a kind of, the mentioning of this 10 Kuki MLAs is also a kind of imposition of Kuki towards the Mar group. So this itself needs to be revisited by the media as well as by the other major communities group. So literally, constitutionally, when the 2003 born, any Kuki tribes are the only Kuki tribes that those are available in the state of Manipur. There is no other Kuki than this, any Kuki tribes. Did you ever find? Out of these 34 tribes in Manipur, so 22 says that they are Naga and they comes under the banner of the UNC. And out of these 12, 2 belongs to the Mizo group. And out of these 12 non-Naga tribes, 11 of them says they are not Kuki, including Thadou. And the Thadous are known as Khongzai by the Meiteis. But we have our own name. Even though the Meitei call us as Khongzai, we say our name is Thadou. And we have been in the census of India in the state of Manipur since 1881. So that clearly shows that, and we have been the maximum largest tribe since 1881 in the state of Manipur. So that says that Thadou are indigenous.
Right.
So, and if Thadous are taken out, and if Thadous are correctly called, and Thadous are given the rights and the dignity of the Thadou people by the Meiteis and other recognized tribes and communities living in Manipur, then who are these Kukis, the so-called, which the Meitei alleges them as illegal immigrants? Then God knows who are these Kukis, and then when the process of NRC exercise has been conducted, then it will be very clear. We have to be in the position to identify. And on the other hand, the Thadous of Myanmar, they are an ethnic group. Thadous are not foreigner in Burma. In Burma, Thadous have their own ethnic code. They are indigenous. When they visit Manipur, they take permission, and with the permit only they came to Manipur. They are not illegal immigrants when they visit Manipur. But whereas Kuki is not an indigenous or ethnic groups in Burma. So where are these Kukis people from? So this and all, we need to understand the complexity and the ethnic sensitivity of our state, Manipur. So the position of Thadou in Manipur right from day one and since 1987, we say that further fragmentation of the already 29 recognized tribes will lead to bloodshed if any Kuki tribe was inserted by the government. But the government did not pay any heed of that time for political reasons. They have inserted, and today the incumbent Chief Minister Pu Biren Singh have taken up a bold step to remove these very vague or a fake tribe called Kuki in 2018, and then reiterated the decision in 2023, just before the outbreak of this violence. So many of the Kukis are, so much frustrated and angry towards the Chief Minister for trying to, finish off and annihilate the Kukis and creating a kind of a counter narrative saying that the Chief Minister wants to finish off and annihilate the Kukis by deleting the term any Kuki tribes, because the language, the culture, the surname, everything is of the same of Thadou people only. So this is the main concern, because the identity of Thadou, the existence of Thadous are under threat because of the supremacist group. Today, you will not hurt any Thadou organization in Manipur, and this is the very reason why, despite being the largest tribe in Manipur, the Thadou in Manipur will stand for the voice of the suppressed and will stand for the voice of the oppressed. And this is the main reason why we came out very strongly. Stop calling us as Kuki. We are not Kuki. Our forefathers' time, since in time immemorial, we are the son of the soil of Manipur. Nobody call us as Kuki. We are not this Kuki. So stop calling us Kuki. Stop targeting us Kuki. Instead, we want to make peace with all the communities, and let peace should not be alone the burden of the Thadou people. This is the stance of the Thadou in Manipur.
Thank you so
and
much.
we are strongly against any Kuki tribe.